Hey, it's Mrs. Francis here, and today's video is on solving systems using matrices. To solve a system with your graphing calculator, you need to place your system into an augmented matrix. So an augmented matrix is a matrix of numbers in which each row represents the coefficients and the constant from each equation. So here's a system, and if you notice, the augmented matrix has the coefficients in the first column, 1, 2, 3. Then we have 3, 4, 9, 5, 6, 7. And then we also include our constants, the right side of the equal side, 7, 8, and 12. The augmented matrix can be input into the calculator, and then that will convert it over to reduced row echelon form. When the calculator converts the matrix to reduced row echelon form, it's going to perform a series of operations until the matrix is reduced to a solution. This is called Gauss-Jordan elimination. So let's give it a try. Here's our augmented matrix. You're going to go into your calculator and you're going to hit second inverse, which will bring you to the matrix screen. And you're going to want to go over to edit. Once you're in edit, you're going to have an option to enter a number here and here. Since we have 3 rows and 4 columns, we're going to hit 3, enter, 4, enter, and then we'll be able to enter a 3 by 4 matrix, 3 rows by 4 columns. We'll enter all our columns as we have it set up in our augmented matrix. And please don't forget that you need to scroll over, and you'll see the 4th column where you enter your constants, 7, 8, and 12. Now at that point, you want to quit out of the matrix. So you're going to do second mode to get back to your home screen. Again, here's our system, here's our augmented matrix. Once you're on the home screen, we want to go back to the second inverse button, go back to the matrix button, and this time we're going to go to math. And you want to find the reduce row echelon form button by scrolling down. Once you do that and hit enter, you'll get this, but now you need to tell the calculator what matrix to do the reduce row echelon form on. So you're going to go back to the matrix button and you're going to select the first screen that comes up. You're going to hit enter for matrix A because that is where we entered our matrix. Now we can hit enter. Now you'll notice we get some decimals here, which I would rather see what the fractions are. So you're going to hit the math button, and the first option is fraction. So all you do is hit the math button and hit enter, and it will convert your decimals over to fractions. At this point, we want to interpret the results. You're going to be looking at these 3 columns. If you have all ones down the middle and zeros everywhere else, you have one solution, and this is your solution. If you don't have all ones and zeros in the corners, then you're going to look at these 2 values. If they're the same, infinitely many solutions. Again, if you don't have all ones and zeros in the corners, you're going to compare these 2 numbers. If they're different, no solution. So let's take a look at our resultant matrix again. And we do have ones down the diagonal and zeros in the corners. So our solution in this example is -7/8, 3/4, and 9/8. That's it for now. Good luck. I know you can do it.